Here we go. Side's about to push back. He ain't ready. He ain't ready. Let's see. CRJ 200 Gold Mokulele. About a coupe. I don't think he knows what he's doing. Oh, he said he ready. He said he ready. Let's see what he got. Hey, don't forget the brake, nigga. Okay. Let's get it, dude. Let's get it, dude. Let's get it, dude. Nigga push it back right now. You gotta crank that steer, buddy. Gotta crank that steer. Look at him, think he's cool and shit over there. You got him. Oh yeah, I know, I see him. Look at this motherfucker. Take you all hot shit, nigga. I don't know, man. Uh-oh, see the line? He getting it straight. This nigga getting it straight. Hey, tell him quit playing. Tell him quit playing. Tell him quit playing. Tell him quit playing. Uh-oh. Oh, he's a show off. This motherfucker's a show off. Look at this. Show off. That's all I gotta say about him. Look at this. Tell him get it. I don't believe this guy, man. I don't believe this guy. Oh, it was straight. No, he went off the line. No, he got off the line. Look. Show off. Show off. Oh, let me unhook this right quick. Come on. Oh, shit. Pick him up. There we go. What you gotta say about that, nigga? Yeah. You guys think you're the man now. You motherfuckers think you're the man. That's funny. Got a coupe? Got a Skyline over there? And we out. Nigga.